Assalamu alaikum class 5. I hope you are all fine and doing well at home. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. Yes, Riyan Shabir, can you please tell me what we have done in our last lesson? Yes, we use some Excel formulas in our numbers and see what are the result after applying the formulas. Here we are going to repeat first our previous part, then we move on in our next point. So, Fazul Hassan, can you please tell me which formulas we use in our last lesson? Yes, we use sum formulas. SUM sum. What is the next formula we use in our next lesson? Ryan, can you please tell me? We use average function. Anur, what the next formula we use in our Excel sheet? Yes, good. Maximum. And next is MI meaning mum. Today we will use the next two formulas, which is percentage and grade. First of all, we are going to select some cells like this. Click on the active cell, then drag your mouse. Yes. Hania, can you please tell me how we can change the color of selected cells? Yes, we go to the fill with color tool and click on the colors like this. Here we set the color of the selected cell. So my next point is Abdullah Arif. Can you please tell me how we can set the boundaries of selected cell? Yes, after the fill with color tool, we have an option is borders. So we click on the drop down menu of borders and click all the borders. Here we can see the borders of selected cells are highlighted or the boundaries of the cells are in darker color. So what is our next point? Yes, our next point is set the font size. Again select some cells and set the font size of these cells as 16 and then press shortcut key of Ctrl B. Here we can see now we are going to type the names of students and my first name is Abu Bakr, second name is Ahmed, third name is Hussein, fourth name is Kanis and last name is Iman. These 5 students give the test. First test is English test, next is Urdu test, then math and last is science. Test 1, test 2, test 3 and then test 4. And the test of marks of test is 50, 50, 50 and 50. Now, Abu Bakr has obtained 47 marks out of 50. 49. 49. Hussein Khanis has obtained 38 marks and Iman has obtained 49 marks. Test 2, which is Urdu test, and Abu Bakr has obtained 45 marks in Urdu test, 28 marks obtained by Ahmed, and then 36 marks, 35, and last is 46. Test 3, which is maths test, and 50 out of 50. Abu Bakr has obtained 50 out of 50, 46, 48, 46, and last is 32. Test 4, which is science test, and the marks is 43, 37, 27, 32, and 19. Now we are going to find out the total. Zainab, can you please tell me what is the formula of total? Yes, the formula of total is equal. Then press SUM sum. Then open the parenthesis. Then go to the test 1 obtained marks and click on the cell. Here we can see the boundaries of this cell is highlighted with white dots. Then drag your mouse to the last test of marks like this. Here you can see the cell address of test 1 semicolon, then last test of the cell address of last test is highlighted. Now close the parenthesis and press enter button. Here we can see the total of Abu Bakr, which is 185. So repeating the formula, Areen, can you please tell me what is the formula of total or sum? Yes, the formula of total and sum is equal. Then type SUM, open the parenthesis and click on the first test marks, then type semicolon, colon, and then click on the last test of marks, then close the parenthesis. Then press enter button. Here we can see the total obtained marks of Ahmed is 160. Again repeating the step is equal. Then type SUM sum, open the parenthesis, click on the first obtained marks, colon, and then go to the last obtained marks, close the parenthesis and press enter button. Here we can see the Hussein total is 160. So now we are going to do same as it is sum for Khanis. Open parenthesis, go to the first test marks, then colon, then go to the last test marks, click on the last test marks, then close the parenthesis and press enter button. Again I am repeating the formula. Mama Mufti, please tell me what is the formula of sum? Yes, the formula of sum is equal. SUM sum, open parenthesis, then go to the first test marks, then click on the cell, colon, last test, close the parenthesis, and here we can see the total of Iman. So next formula is how to find out the average. AVERAGE, average. So what is the formula of average? Zunaira, please tell me what is the formula of average? Yes, the formula of average is equal. Click on the total cell, then divide the total cell by number of values, because the average formula is total divided by number of values, and we have 4 total number of values. That's why we divide the number by 4. If we have 5 number of values, then we divide the total by 5. If we have 3